Today I'm in the studio and I'm super excited to share one of my latest finds as I prepare for the upcoming fashion week in September. Last week I discovered this amazing new face. His name is Saliu. If you missed out that video, make sure to check out the shorts where you can see our first encounter. So Saliu is coming to meet with me today for his first Polaroid session. I will take some digitals and showing all the behind the scenes action. I am preparing some simple outfits here for him, plain white tee and pants, just in case he doesn't have like the suitable clothing for Polaroids. I like to, take pride in my Polaroids, especially when preparing a model or presenting a model. I tend to like take some really nice Polaroids and make sure the models have the right clothing. After steaming the clothes, I decided to set up the studio just to be ready ahead before the model arrived. Now that the studio is fully ready, I decide to whip out my switch and play while I wait. Ah boy, the battery is dead and the switch needs to charge.
Yep, that's an Adobe stock watermark. Just a little reminder that it's the next day. Thank you, Adobe, for the transition assist.
He finally arrived. As I walked down the hallway, there he was, my fashion beacon. How are you? Come. When Saliu tried on the clothes I prepared, I knew he was going to be an amazing boy.
I took all his measurements: chest, weight, hip, shoe size, and height. And then we got right into doing the Polaroids.
Now, hands out, straight, hands out of the pocket. Both, the other one? Yeah. Yeah, chin down. Yeah. Stay. Now you're gonna turn to the side. Yeah. No, face to me, yeah. You wanna wash your face? Huh? Chin down? Yeah. Stay. Straight. Right. Chin down. Okay. Now, your face, yeah. Turn, no. Stay, but the face straight. Straight. Yeah. No. Go back. Stay. Face. Straight. And straighten. Chin down. Same thing, other way. Step forward. Step forward. Okay. Chin down. Now only the face to me. Yeah. Chin down. Turn the face almost. Yeah. Stay. Now, this on the wall. Hands on the things. Just relax. Lean back, like go back, lean back, lean. Like put yourself, no, come, like hold this.
Yeah.
Yeah. And just like relax. Yeah, relax. Yeah. Come forward. Okay, stay there and now go on the wall. Yeah, and just relax, relax. I'm gonna tell you, to be honest, I'm confident Sally has what it takes to succeed in this fashion industry. So guys, leave in the comments, tell me what you think, and if you agree with me or if you don't. All right, so see you. Wait. Yo, guys, check out these images from our Polaroid session. He looks amazing. Please tell me in the comments what you think. Please tell me in the comments what you think. To me, I think he nailed every look. That's a model. I need to sign him. That's a model. Like, I need to sign him. I need to start putting together test shoots. This is a boy. Thank you so much for watching and stay tuned, fashion lovers.